Hola estudiantes! Welcome to your En el Mercado lesson. So this unit reviews and gives you opportunities to expand on a number of things that we've been working on. We'll also introduce a few new things to keep you learning. So here's what we're reviewing and expanding. Food vocabulary, numbers, basic conversation, and some key verbs and phrases. Okay, first we'll review numbers. Okay, remember that numbers in Spanish come in patterns. After you get 1 through 10, the next pattern is 11, 12, 13. Then next, all you have to remember is that you have 14 cats. And that, of course, gives you 14 gatos. You can't keep them. So, of course, you're going to take them to a quinceañera. And that's your quince, which is 15. All right, new pattern. Again, this is review, but we're still working on it. Whew, got rid of those 14 cats. Your new pattern is little math problems. So 10 plus 6, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 and 9. That's easy. So it's just 16, 17, 18, 19, and of course 20 is 20. We have lots of opportunities to practice here. If you want to listen to a song, if you want to just do Quizlet practice, lots of opportunities. 30 to 100. Okay, now how did you even get to that quinceañera? Of course you went by train. The train took you 30 minutos, and that's your 30. Next we move into that new pattern. These are your entas. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Of course, once you get over 100, just go ahead and wiggle your toes. Those are your toes right here. So 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, that probably reminds you of quinceañera. 15, 500, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. You already know mil from mil gracias. Ooh. Shall we practice? Click on this. Okay, we know some food vocabulary, but we're expanding. Lots of opportunities for practice here. These are your Quizlet practices. Also more practice available on We Know Transparent Language. I'll give you those as assignments. Your goal is at least 15 new words. Okay, remember we were working on ¿Dónde está el baño? It's probably good to know how to get to more places than the bathroom. So let's see if we can get to a bank. So ¿Dónde está el banco? And a movie theater. ¿Dónde está el cine? Then we have to remember our basic directions. To the right, a la derecha. Just remember, it's a beautiful day. There are sun rays. It makes you want to cha-cha-cha because that's your right. Derecha, it's to the right. And then a la izquierda, that's to the left. Izquierda, izquierda. Straight ahead, todo recto. Okay, did you need to review that? Go ahead and watch Mi Vida Loca. We've watched it once, but go ahead and watch it again. Okay, mercado. Let's set the scene. Let's watch a little bit of this video. It's going to give you a feel for what a food market is like in Mexico City. Listen for new food vocabulary. What do you notice? What's similar? What's different? Have you ever been to a market like this before? Okay. Would you like to buy some things in this market? We need a few handy words. Like quiero, remember, yo quiero Taco Bell. Like little chihuahua, yo quiero Taco Bell. Exactly. Necesito, I need it. It is necessary. Me gustaría. You already know me gusta. You're just adding the ría at the end. Me gustaría. Deme. This is a polite give me. Or you can go for a dame. Sometimes that can work, but just make sure you have por favor at the end. So again, quiero, necesito, me gustaría, deme, dame, por favor. Okay. Want a few ways to ask about prices of items? You can go for cuánto cuesta. It's a good generic. If you're talking about more than one item, you could go for cuánto cuestan. The N makes it plural. Cuánto es? So how much cost, how much is? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuestan? ¿Cuánto es? Now what if you see an interesting item and you're wondering what it is? You could ask, ¿qué es eso? Or, ¿y esta cosa? ¿Qué es? It's always handy to know the word cosa, in case you forget how to say something. Bargaining. Now here's a great chance to practice those numbers. So let's go ahead and review one more time. If you want to get really fancy with bargaining, watch this video. Okay, here's our practice dialogue. Let's preview it. I'm always la señora del mercado, and you are always you. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we'll just go through the whole thing. Muy buenos días. Buenos días. Usted es de Canadá, ¿no? And obviously I'm going to keep changing these locations. Usted es de Nicaragua, de Honduras, de Uruguay, ¿no? You reply, no, no soy de Canadá. Oh, ¿de dónde es usted? Soy de los Estados Unidos. Oh, ¿qué parte de los Estados Unidos? Yo tengo un hermano en Nueva York y una hermana en California. Oh, yo soy de Boston, pero vivo en Vermont. Again, if you're not from Boston, don't say Boston. ¿Le gustaría comprar algo? Aquí tengo melones y papas y pan. Hay piñas también. ¿Qué quiere usted? Quiero 5 aguacates y deme un limón verde. ¿Algo más? Me gustaría un tomate. ¿Y hay chiles? Necesito 2. Hay chiles y tomates. ¿Algo más? ¿Y esta cosa qué es? Es una papaya. ¿Cuánto cuesta por todo? Por todo sería 100 pesos. Lo siento, no tengo 100 pesos. ¿70 pesos? 90 pesos. Es buen precio. 85. Muy bien, aquí tiene todo. Gracias, señora. Perdón, tengo una pregunta. Sí. ¿Dónde está el cine? ¿A la derecha o a la izquierda? No, de aquí. Todo recto. Gracias, señora. Hasta pronto. Okay, let's practice. So here's our Quizlets to practice mercado. We're going to practice using linked. So you're going to record the full dialogue. You have lots of opportunities to hear both sides of the conversation. This is your linked challenge dialogue where you're producing your lines independently. We also have some voice thread practice. You'll see these in the assignment section of Canvas as separate grades. If you need more practice, don't worry, because I'll be giving you those opportunities via WeKnow and Transparent Language. Okay, you must be feeling like you've practiced all that and you're feeling pretty ready. So let's set up a Zoom practice time, and you and I will do this together. All right, your final assessment for this will be both spoken and in writing. You need to know your lines from the basic dialogue that I've given you. You want to know your numbers 1 through 400. You want to know at least 15 new food words. And you want to know that your dialogue will be identical, will not be identical to what you practiced, but very similar. And I'll build in new opportunities for you to show me how well you know your numbers and food vocabulary. Hasta pronto.